Take a look at the gold market as gold got the really pumped at one point and then failed. You could see the beautiful cyclicality in there. For those of you that are new to our work, you can see in here cycles. These are cycle brackets that are on the bottom. What these are just a drawing tool. They help us see the rhythm in the market as you see it right in here. There are multiple time frames in here. This big cycle right over here is a little more dominant, and you can see that it kind of shifted out. There's an even bigger and more dominant cycle right over here. So where are we now? We're rising, and we're getting a little chop right there. You can see that reversal. And that says to us that it may have a hard time getting up through 1808 right now. So we're going to call the next couple of weeks kind of choppy action in here. 1810, maybe the top of the range, the bottom of the range here, about 1760, 1755, right in there. But then we think after that it moves up very sharply with our projections up at 850 or so for just this short term. So we see a lot of choppy action in here. The market's struggling. But that is likely to end up to be a sharp spike to the upside when that's over with. It could happen right now. There's no reason for it to just stop here at 1810, but you have that reversal, so it just gives me a sense that you may be in this choppy period for a couple more weeks before it then takes off. Some of the evidence, intermediate pattern, very strong. Short term, well, choppy. So the two of those are fighting against each other a little bit, but then we ultimately see an upside breakout. Look at the momentum in here, just super strong. Here was your buy pending. It just actually did turn into a buy right over here today. So these are really overall really good patterns. We're just going to look for a chop until it breaks out pretty significantly on the upside. That is a look at the gold market, and over that 1810 area, or that 61.8% fib extension at 18.25, we don't even know where it's going to go to. It could just fly pretty significantly after that. So yes, the patterns are very, very bullish when I look at that. We'll call for the range right now with an ultimate breakout of the range above that 1810.